1953 International tow truck. Look at that, guys. Very rare. There's the interior. First of all, look out. You're about 2 feet from the ground, and you got your step plate, doors, door panels, dashboard.
Thank you.
There you go, 4x4, low, high, got the toolbox. There you go, guys. 1953 International.